In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Blender on a PC step by step so you can get up and running quickly, whether you downloaded the zip version or the MSI installer. Blender is one of the most powerful free 3D creation tools available, and once it's installed, you can start modeling, animating, rendering, and so much more. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already use on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to Blender.org. That is the official Blender website, and it's always the safest place to download the software from. After the page loads, look for the Download Blender button and click it. The file will begin downloading to your computer automatically. Depending on your system or the version available, you may get a zip file or an MSI installer. If you downloaded a zip file, that means it's the portable version. In that case, you'll need to extract the files to a folder first. You can do that by right-clicking the zip file and choosing Extract All, or by using your preferred extraction tool. Once it's extracted, open the folder and locate Blender.exe. Double-click it and Blender will launch without a traditional installation process. If you downloaded the MSI file, that means it's the standard Windows installer. Just open the MSI file and the setup wizard will appear. From there, click Next, then Install, and finally Finish once the setup is complete. The installer will place Blender on your computer and create the necessary shortcuts for you. The main difference is simple. Zip is more portable, while MSI gives you a more traditional installation experience. Either way, both methods get Blender installed and ready to use. After installation, open Blender and wait a moment for the app to launch. You should now see the Blender interface ready for your first project. At this point, you're fully installed and good to go. You can start exploring the workspace, opening sample files, or beginning your first 3D design right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Blender.